In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a StockX account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm your email, secure your phone number, set up payments or payouts, and complete identity checks if they're requested so you can buy and sell with confidence. Start by heading to StockX.com. If you're new, sign up using your email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you already have an account, just log in. As soon as you finish creating your account, StockX begins the verification process in the background, so you're already on your way. Use an email address you check often since you'll need it in the next step. Next, verify your email address. Open your inbox and look for a message from StockX. Inside, click the Verify Email button. That single click confirms your address and helps protect your account. If you don't see the message right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folder. Occasionally, email filters reroute automated messages, so a quick search for StockX can help you find it. After that, verify your phone number. From your profile, open settings, then select phone number. Enter your number and type in the SMS code sent to your device. This step is required for security and for sellers who want to list items. Make sure you have reliable cellular reception when you request the code and enter it exactly as shown to avoid delays. Now verify your payment method. For buyers, go to settings, then payment, and add a credit or debit card or link PayPal. Complete any on-screen confirmations so your payment source is active. For sellers, open settings and choose payout methods. Add a bank account for ACH transfers or PayPal if it's supported in your region. Double check that the name on your payout method matches the name on your StockX account and that all details are accurate. This is what confirms your seller eligibility and ensures smooth payouts. If StockX requests identity verification, don't worry. It's normal for new sellers, high-value sales, or when activity looks unusual. You may be asked to upload a government-issued ID, take a quick selfie for match verification, or confirm your address. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, use good lighting, and make sure the text on your ID is clearly visible. Finally, confirm your account status. Go to Profile, open Settings, and look for indicators that your email is verified, your phone is verified, and your payment or payout methods are active. If all three are set, your account is fully verified and ready to use. If something appears incomplete, revisit that section to finish any missing details. That's it. You're verified and ready to shop or sell on StockX with confidence.